Thinking about and talking about preparing for future medical emergencies is a topic many people feel uncomfortable discussing, whether it's about their own medical care or that of their loved ones. But healthcare advocates say it's a discussion that must be held before the medical emergency occurs. Today we will broach that subject with the program officer for a nonprofit healthcare quality improvement agency called Healthcentric Advisors. They have a Providence office on Promenade Street. Gail Patry, registered nurse, is with us this morning, and it is something that you probably find a lot of families don't really want to discuss.
People are very uncomfortable with it, and they always think there's more time to address the topic. But we're big proponents of addressing the topic long before it's an emergency needed basis.
Another fallacy, I think, is that this is a discussion about older people, people 70, 80, 90 years old, but really it's not. It's people in their 30s and 40s because a medical emergency can happen at any time.
Absolutely, absolutely. Young people are in car accidents, etc. We, people often say you change your smoke detector batteries when you change your clocks. And we like to tell people that this is probably something they should begin talking about with their families at different milestones, when you turn 18, when you get married, when you start to have children, etc. It's not one conversation, it's a series of conversations that people should have.
And the conversation should be centered on a particular piece of paper that's at the top of our list, the durable power of attorney.
The durable power of attorney in Rhode Island is a form that actually has two components. One component that allows you to identify and document a healthcare proxy, someone who can make decisions for you if you're unable to at the time, and another section that allows you to have conversations with your proxy and document what types of treatments you may or may not want in those emergencies.
Who should the healthcare proxy be?
People should choose someone they trust, someone with whom they have a relationship, oftentimes family, close friends.
And it typically is family, but not exclusively.
True.
And this piece of paper has everything from the do not resuscitate to whatever the specifics are, I take it.
Right, and whatever decisions people make, they certainly can revisit the form at any point and change their mind if circumstances change or their health status changes.
The form's available on the Rhode Island Health Department website and also on the website of Gail's organization, which you just saw it on the screen there, and you see it again now, healthcentricadvisors.org. Very important, and we're glad, Gail, that you brought this to our attention. Gail Patry, thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
By the way, those forms are free, and you do not need a lawyer to draw them up. You just take the blank form and do it yourself. You may need the stamp of a notary public, but that's it. And that's our Money Watchers Business Lunch for today.